Okay, hello students, good morning. My name is Dr. Pankaj Kumar Tripathi. I am working as assistant professor in Lovely Professional University. So today I am going to start the lecture multiplication of vector quantity. So first of all, what we learned the previous lecture. So in previous lecture, I have discussed the additions, subtractions, triangle method of vector additions, parallelogram method of vector additions, unit vector, and unit vector is most important. Unit vector is also known as the base vector, I cap, j cap and k cap. So that is magnitude is 1 and I cap, j cap and k cap represent the direction of x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. So now I am going to start the multiplication of vector quantity. Multiplication of vector quantity. So first is multiplication of vector by a scalar quantity. Multiplication of a vector by a scalar quantity. Multiplication of a vector by a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity. Okay. So that is very simple. Only change the magnitude of vector and direction is remains constant. Suppose A is the vector and lambda is the scalar value. Scalar value means numerical value, maybe 0, 1, 2 and 3 or -1, -2 and -3. So here the resultant value, if lambda multiply by A, lambda A, the resultant vector is obtained to the B vector. So B vector, the direction is same as A vector and the magnitude will change. It means the magnitude basically depend upon the lambda. The direction, if lambda suppose that -1 or -2, then direction is change of the B vector. So magnitude of B vector equal to magnitude of B vector lambda and mod A. So this is the magnitude of resultant vector V. So very simple. And next is vector product. Vector product, it means 2 vector product, 3 vector product. So first is the dot product. Dot or scalar or inner product. Okay, inner product, right? तो scalar product. तो scalar product suppose कि A vector dot B vector, A vector dot B vector is equal to mod of A vector mod of B vector cos theta. Here theta is A vector, here B vector, that is angle is theta. Angle is theta. So A dot B equal to AB cos theta. अब simply this angle is 360 minus theta. Or B, what is B cos theta? So here A B cos theta. So B cos theta is the projection along A. Projection along A. So A dot B equal to AB cos theta. Up to find out the same vector, same direction, कि A dot A. So A dot A means angle theta equal to 0. A dot A, theta equal to 0. So here cos theta, A vector, modulus of A vector, mod of A vector, cos 0 equal to 1. So A square. B dot B equal to B square. B dot equal to B square. Right? Suppose I vector, j vector and k vector. to draw the diagram, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, right? Here I cap, j cap and k cap is the unit vector. अब I dot I, तो magnitude of I 1, magnitude of I 1, cos both is 0, so that is 1. So I dot I equal to 1. In the same way, similarly, j dot equal to j equal to 1, k dot k equal to 1. Here unit vector correct. Okay. अब a dot j, तो I dot j means the angle is 90 degree, just like this. Okay, x axis, y axis and z axis. तो angle 90 degree, 90 degree. Clear? तो x and y axis angle 90. This is 90. This is also 90. तो I dot j equal to 1 into 1, but cos 90. So cos 90 equal to 0. So this is 0. So I dot j equal to 0, j dot I equal to 0, k dot I equal to 0. Okay, k dot j equal to 0. Right? So keep in the mind for solve some numerical problem. So I dot I, k dot k, j dot j. Right? And another is cross product. Cross or vector or outer product. Outer product. तो A dot, suppose two vectors A and B, तो A vector cross B vector equal to AB sin theta. Mod of A, mod B and n cap. Here n cap is the direction, because the resultant vector, resultant product is vector quantity. But in dot product, A dot B equal to AB cos theta. So this quantity is scalar quantity. कि suppose work, तो work W equal to F into D. अब here force and displacement, force is the scalar quantity, sorry, vector quantity, and displacement is vector quantity. So product of dot product of two vector quantity, the resultant product is scalar value. So no need of the direction. But here A cross B, the product is also a vector quantity. So the product of this vector quantity need the direction. So n cap is the direction. N cap is the unit vector which is represented to the direction. Okay, suppose कि here A vector and B vector, right? So A cross B, the direction is this, right? Just a xy plane. Okay. Up A cross B equal to minus B cross A, equal to minus B cross A, because the direction is changed. Suppose this vector here A vector and B vector, so A cross B, the direction is upward direction, and again change this direction, downward direction. So A cross B equal to minus B cross A, does not equal to same. It means A cross B minus B cross A. Here A cross B plus C, B plus A vector, B vector and C vector. So A cross B plus A cross B plus A cross. So keep in the mind by using some to solve the sum numericals problem. So in the same way, in 3D picture, in 3 dimension, same here x-axis, okay, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, I cap, j cap and k cap. तो I cap, j cap, k cap is the unit vector. तो I क्रॉस j देखिए, I क्रॉस j, अब मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ I 1, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ j 1, साइन 90, ओके, साइन 90. अब व्हाट इज द डायरेक्शन? साइन 90 1, डायरेक्शन इज k कैप, अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन इन द सेम. तो I क्रॉस j इक्वल टू k कैप, I क्रॉस j इक्वल टू k कैप. अब सपोज टू चेंज माइनस j in downward direction, minus k, क्योंकि here this angle is minus k cap, minus j cap, minus I cap, okay, minus. In the same way, j cross k equal to I cap, right, और k cross I equal to j cap, I cross, and similarly I cross j, j cross k and k cross I, j cross I minus, k cross j minus, I cross k minus, and I cross I. तो magnitude 1 and I. Angle between two vectors is 0, sin 90 equal to 0. तो I cross I equal to 0, j cross j equal to 0 and k cross k equal to 0. तो I cap, j cap, k cap equal to 0. ओके, तो सिंपल मेथड की सपोज वन थिंग, create some space to find out a cross b, a simple diagonal method की a cross b equal to, just keep in the mind कि here I cap, j cap and k cap, here ax, ay, az, bx, by and bz, right, just like the determinant to form. तो a vector equal to ax I cap, ay j cap plus az k cap. Here ax is the component of x axis, ay y axis. Here b cap equal to similar bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. So you can find out a cross b of any position vector to simply by using the determinant method. तो area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram equal to a cross b, right? Okay, suppose tau r cross f, okay, some physical significance, velocity r omega, angular velocity, linear velocity, right, angular velocity and radius gyration. Upon this triple product, okay, got it, right? A triple product या scalar triple product for scalar triple product, scalar triple product, three vectors, a vector, b vector and c vector. तो scalar triple product means कि a dot b cross c, this is known as scalar triple product, a dot b cross c, okay, also represented to a b c, square bracket equal to, simply interchange dot and cross. Dot and cross are interchangeable. It means dot and cross only are interchangeable. Okay, so simply A cross, right? A cross B dot C. A cross B dot C. Right? Or you also need ki B. Okay, A cross B dot C. So geometrically, the triple product can be interpreted by the volume of three-dimensional parallelepiped for the three vectors, right? So simply, okay, to find out the coplanar, suppose ki A just here A B C equal to 0, that means coplanar vector. A B C equal to 0, that is coplanar vector. Okay, got it? A vector triple product, a scalar triple product and vector triple product. Vector triple product. Vector triple product simply कि A cross B cross C. Okay, A cross B cross C equal to A dot C B, right? Minus A dot B C. Okay, so then just finish this lecture is the multiplication of vector product. Now I will discuss the next lecture is the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, thank you.